Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I'm going to take you through something on Google Drive. You know, Google Drive is such an important stuff really in our day-to-day life nowadays. You know, internet has simplified our life, and AI, these new technologies which are coming up, have really made our life simple in such a way that they have introduced us also to Google Drive. In this case, you are able to save your files online without getting disturbed, or without your files getting lost, or your documents wherever. For instance, we've got cases where you keep your files maybe in your flash, and later the flash gets issues and all your data is just crabbed like that, and you lose it for life. So guys, we have Google Drive, where you will be able, in position actually, to store your files without any stress of losing. All you need to know is, one, you have to have an email account, so that in case, for example, you've been keeping your stuff maybe in your PC and you need to save it, you simply use your email account. And that's it. You would have got everything you wanted maybe to check in. For example, we have cases like back then, my colleagues had kept their data in the PC, and these are the guys who had the presentation the next day, and I don't know, they did from nowhere, stole the stuff, and that's how they lost all their information, and they couldn't have anything to present, and that calls for failure automatically. So in this Google Drive, you will fill in everything you need. You can save every file you need without getting scared, without losing anything at any time. Even if they stole your PC right now, you will just go, or your phone, anything, you will just go get someone's gadgets or PC, you log in your email, and there you will see all your data untouched. So that is the beauty of Google Drive. So in this Google Drive, you simply come to Chrome, right? You come to Chrome, or you could even type in, just because I don't want to type, you could search for me at Google Drive and you open. That's it. You can choose to type in with this, or you use this tab. Just click on it. You see, you come to Drive, you get. So it opens like that. So after that, you see from here, you see it is search in Drive. We have the type for your documents if you want to search your Drive, or you can search for the people you wish to send your stuff, or for the location. So that is it. Or you could actually come to my Drive. You come here. So these are the stuff you have in your Drive. These are things I have, things that I had kept in my Drive. For instance, I need to upload it, or to for example, have a new document and I need to save it online in using Google Drive. You simply come to create. You see, or file upload. You can upload your file, or you can create a new folder. You put in your file, then you upload. You can even upload your folder. You can upload your documents, your sheets, your slides, everything here you can upload. You simply come to file, upload. If you have already your files, that's when you have your files and you have your stuff. But you can even create your folder, you put in your files and you upload, and that is it. For example, I need to upload maybe Backhouse 1. I simply click there, then after you open, wait for it to open. It's notifying us here, 32 minutes left for it to open. It is uploading. meaning you're saving your information. That one, you're saving it on your Google Drive. See, so you can see from here it's already there, it's already uploaded. Or you can even choose to open it. You can open it. For me, I'm offline. Let me check my connection. It's connected. Let me check my connection. Press disconnect and let me connect again. Yeah, so you can as well come here. You click on it to open. You can see you can open it. It is still opening. So give it your time. So in this, every time you need to maybe you're not working with anything with your devices, and you need to check in for something, check something in your email, in your let's say maybe notes. Simply get a gadget, you log in using your email, and that is it. You see now, this is our document. So every time you need to use it, you can simply find it here and you use it without doubt. So friends, that is it with Google Drive. It's very good. So let's embrace this idea so that we avoid those unexpected losses or emergencies. Bye. I love you all. Please don't forget to share, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.